Adjustment. Okay, we're going to be, did you push it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to be adjusting, and the dura covers the brain and the spinal cord and all the nerves all the way up to the tips of the fingers and tips of the toes, all the organs, and it's very gentle. You ready, Jordan? Okay, here we go. Here's your adjustment. Okay. Okay, we're doing the left side right now. Alright, good job. Okay, we're going to do the right side now. Okay, just wait right there. Good girl. Okay, just a little bit more. Alright, give me 5. Give me props. Yeah.